In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit products in Shopify. Editing your products is something you'll do often, whether you're tweaking prices, updating categories, or fixing your search engine listing. So let's walk through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin home where you can see an overview of your store, recent activity, and key stats. From here, we'll move into the products area, which is where all of your items live. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Products and click on it. This will open a page that lists every product currently in your store. You can use the search bar or filters at the top if you have a lot of items and need to quickly find the one you want to edit. Next, click on the specific product you'd like to edit. This will open the product details page. Think of this page as the control center for that single product. Everything about how it appears on your storefront and in your back end is controlled from here. One of the important things you can adjust is the category or product organization. On the product page, find the section where the product type, collections, or categories are set. Here, you can change which category the product sits in or add it to the appropriate collection so customers can find it more easily when they browse your store. You can also edit the price of the product. Look for the pricing section and update the price field with the new amount you want to charge. If you're running a sale, you can usually add a compare at price as well, so customers see the discounts clearly. Always double check currency and decimals before moving on. Another key area is inventory. In the inventory section, you can adjust how many units of the product you have available. Update the quantity so it reflects your real stock, and make sure any inventory tracking options are set the way you need them, so you don't oversell. Further down the page, you'll see the search engine listing or SEO section. Here, you can edit the page title, meta description, and URL handle for the product. This helps improve how your product appears in search results and can make it easier for customers to discover your store through search engines. Once you're happy with all your changes, scroll back up or down to find the Save button and click on it. Shopify will update the product with your new settings. Always wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved before leaving the page. And that's it. That's how you edit products in Shopify.